Hello students, welcome to our 11th physics class. This video continue with Unit 1, Nature of Physical World and Measurement, Part 5. Today we have learned about relation between radian, degree and minutes. The radian, denoted by the symbol, is the SI unit for measuring angles and is the standard unit of angular measure used in many areas of mathematics. The length of an arc of a unit circle is numerically equal to the measurement in radius of the angle that it subtends. 1 radian is just under 57.3 degrees. It's simply defined as 1 radian is the measure of the central angle whose arc length is the same as the radius of the circle. Arc length is equal to radius, theta equal to 1 radian. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. Why do we convert degrees to radians? Good questions. In geometry, degrees are generally used more than radian, probably because degrees are a more familiar unit of angle measured to students. Students, we are move how to calculate 1 degree, 1 minutes and 1 seconds and relation between degrees, minutes and seconds. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 1. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. This is equation number 2. Already we know pi equal to 3.14 or 22 divided by 7. Pi equal to 22 divided by 7. So the reciprocal of pi is 7 divided by 22. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3 substitute in 2. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree into 7 divided by 22. 180 and 22 is cancelled by 2. So it's equal to 90 degree into 7 divided by 11. 90 into 7, 630 divided by 11. 630 cancelled by 11. 57 degree, 2727 minutes. So 1 radian is equal to 57.27 degree. Also 1 degree of arc is 60 minutes of arc. 1 minutes of arc is 60 seconds of arc. Then relation between radian, degree and minutes. 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. So pi value 22 divided by 7 into 1 divided by 180. 22 and 180 is cancelled by 2. So 11 divided by 7 into 1 divided by 90 is simplification. 11 divided by 630. 11 cancelled by 630 is 0.01746. Rearranging this value is 1.746 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radian. Approximately 1.746 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radian. And second point, 1 minute is equal to 1 degree divided by 60. It's equal to 1.746 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 60. Denominator value rearranging 6 into 10 to the power of 1 and numerator value 1.746 into 10 to the power of minus 2. It's equal to rearranging numerator value 17.46 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Already 10 to the power of minus 2 is there and denominator value 10 to the power of 1 is moved to numerator. So 10 to the power of minus 1. Finally we get 10 to the power of minus 4. It's equal to 17.46 divided by 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 and 17.46 cancelled by 6. So finally we get answer 2.908 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radian. Third point, 1 seconds it's equal to 1 degree divided by 60 into 60 equal to degree value 1.746 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and 60 into 60 600. Rearranging numerator and denominator value 174.6 into 0.100 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and denominator value 36 into 100 and 174.6 divided by 36 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and 0.100 is converted to 10 to the power of minus 2 and denominator value 100 is moved to numerator, so 10 to the power of minus 2, 174.6 and 36 cancelled by 2, so we get 58.2 divided by 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 58.2 and 12 is cancelled by 2, so 29.1 divided by 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 and 29.1 cancelled by 6. So finally we get answer 4.85 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radian. Finally we get 1 second approximately 4.85 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radian. Radian and degree value 360 degree is 2 pi radian, 45 degree is 5 pi 4 radian and 90 degree is 5 pi 2 and 135 degree is 3 pi divided by 4 and pi is 180 degree and 225 degree is 5 pi divided by 4 and 270 degree is 3 pi divided by 2 and 315 degree is 7 pi by 4. Notes: 1 radian is equal to 57.27 degree. 1 degree is equal to 1.746 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radian. 1 minute is equal to 2.908 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radian. 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radian. And 1 degree is 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and naught is degrees of arc and 1 dot is minutes of arc, double dot is seconds of arc. Memorize this all points. Thank you, students.